Hey everybody, and welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in St. Thomas, Ontario, and looking at reviewing a car wash here just off of Burwell. I think it's Burwell Street, and it's not this one here. We've got a self-serve car wash here that is advertising $2 car washes. It's been pretty busy actually. A lot of people have been going in and out of there. But the one I'm going to is on the other side of this. It's not affiliated with this at all. I think it's called the Classic Touch car wash. So it is a touch system, and I've never been before. We're gonna get out and have a look at the vehicle. It's pretty dirty, as you can see, and today I'm driving the minivan, so you guys that are tired of seeing the cargo van will be happy. Very, very dirty. So it'll be a good test, but I would expect good results with it being a touch system. Let's see if you can see the wash. It's just over there. You can see the line up. I think there's an attendant. So yeah, the van is pretty dirty. Very, very dirty. So, I've got my mount set up. So I'm just gonna put the camera up there until we enter the wash. It's a beautiful day today. I actually even have the air conditioning on inside the van because the sun's heating it up so good. It's definitely going to get rid of the little bit of snow that we have. Okay, so yeah, Classic Touch 2000 automatic car wash. And this might be a little bit of a wait. So they actually do automotive detailing as well. Here, let me take you off of this for a second. See if I can zoom in. So yeah, so they offer that as well. Okay, so we've got the Classic Platinum, which is $18, and that's going to be the Classic Gold Wash, plus tire shine, plus super sealant, triple shine polish wax, and conditioner applied. The Classic Gold is alright, actually let me start at the bottom. So you get the Classic Bronze, which is just a basic wash, that's $10. And then you get the Classic Silver, which is the bronze, plus you get undercarriage wash and rim and tire cleaner, that's $13. And then the Classic Gold, which is the silver, plus you get sealant and polish wax and undercarriage rust inhibitor, that's $15. And then the Classic Platinum is everything I've been saying, plus you get the tire shine, super sealant, and triple shine polish, wax, and conditioner applied. And that's $18. So we will get the $18 one. They got a sign saying pay cash for quicker service. Here, I'll do this so I can show you that what I read off. That's and the classic bronze is $10. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. Save you from staring at a wall. Okay, we're gonna be going next here. It really has like kind of an old school feel to it. Parts of this seems kind of old and looks like it's been maybe updated a little bit, but I guess it's been here for quite some time. Two gentlemen here that are doing the kind of the pre-wash. How you doing?
Pardon me?
I said, how you doing?
Good, thank you. What can I do for you?
Oh, sorry, the top one, 18, is it? You guys staying busy today.
I'll tell you. I just sprayed since 9 a.m.
Wow. Yeah, the gentleman just said he's been washing since 9 a.m. He hasn't stopped, and right now it's 12:30, so they've been pretty non-stop. So now they're getting out they get some brushes and they're just scrubbing down the sides of the van. I'm gonna take you guys off of here. Very cool. we got Sunny's dryers. Oh, they got vacuums over here. I'm just gonna pull over here and we'll get out and have a look. Oh. Well, it's looking pretty clean. Even the dryers did a pretty good job. A little bit of water down on the bottom half, but looks really good. Of course, it doesn't hurt when you have that kind of pre-wash with the attendants, because they're doing the high pressure rinse with the wands and also using the brushes and that on the sides and back and that. So yeah, it turned out really good. So $18, but like I said, they have a couple of attendants doing a pre-wash. It did a great job. The van was very dirty and it came out very clean. So if you're one for the touch systems, then this is one I would recommend. I think for $18, I mean, a lot of the car washes that I review, even touchless systems, well, actually, even if you look at Petro Canada, with their touch systems, with the, if you get the works in that, you're up there in price. It can be $14, $15 easily. So even some SO touchless, I've paid even actually close to $18. So to pay 18 here, and that's taxes in. Like I said, you get a good touch wash with 2 attendants as well. So anyways, hope you liked it. I thought it was a good wash and they did a good job. Staff are friendly and good, so I recommend it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, until next time, I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye everyone.